So, good evening everyone! Hello! Good evening! This will be our last regular session and we will tackle about the book 3, no? So, everything about the budget process and unlawful expenditures and many others. So, actually, dito na po yung ating speaker. She's here now. So, dito na po yung ating hinihintay na isa sa pinakamagaling, pinakamabuti at pinakamaraming alam with regards sa BCLT. Andito na po ang ating speaker si Ma'am Julian, pero later ko na lang po siya i-welcome Ma'am Julian, ano lang muna natin yung iba, papasokin lang siguro natin. Maybe mga alas 7:05 we will start. Okay, thank you so much. How are you, everybody? Are you all excited for this regular session? Wow. Ay, nawala yung mic ko. Am I good? Nawala yung mic ko. No? Okay na ba yung mic? May narinig niyo po ba ako? Walang audio, sir. Seriously? Nawala nga talaga. Okay na yan? Perfect! Bigla ko nawala eh. Pagtingin ko sa ako, hey, bakit nawala? Okay na po, thank you so much. So, you will be excited because isa din itong topic ng Book 3 na may pinakamaraming question. At saka, isa rin ito sa may pinakamaraming panggulo. So, I believe nabasa naman ni Ma'am Julian yung ating slides na ipipresenta niya dito. So, maraming mga panggulo, ma'am, no? At we will that later kung paano natin mas madaling maaalala.